Welcome to All About Home Decor. If your living room and dining room share one open space, you already know that creating a beautiful layout can be challenging. You want the two areas to feel connected, but you also want each space to have its own purpose, personality, and visual identity. The good news is that an open-concept living room and dining room doesn't have to feel awkward, crowded, or unfinished. With the right furniture placement, proportions, lighting, colors, textures, and decorating details, you can create a space that feels intentional, sophisticated, comfortable, and beautifully designed. In today's video, we're exploring living room-dining room combo ideas for 2026, including designer-inspired layouts, furniture placement tips, color combinations, lighting ideas, area rugs, artwork, storage solutions, and styling techniques that can completely transform an open-concept home. Whether you're decorating a new house, updating an existing space, or simply looking for inspiration before your next home improvement project, these ideas can help you create a living and dining area that feels cohesive and polished. So let's get started. 1. Start with the overall floor plan. Before buying furniture or choosing accessories, start with the most important element of your space, the floor plan. A successful living room-dining room combination begins with understanding how people naturally move through the room. Look at the entrances, windows, doors, hallways, kitchen connection, television wall, fireplace, and major architectural features. You don't want your furniture arrangement to block the natural walking paths. Instead, think about creating clear circulation routes between the different areas. One of the biggest mistakes people make in an open-concept room is pushing every piece of furniture against the walls. While this can seem like a way to make the room feel larger, it can actually make the space feel disconnected. Instead, consider using furniture to create subtle zones. Your sofa can help define the living room. A dining table and chairs can establish the dining area. And a rug, lighting fixture, or console table can reinforce the separation without physically closing off the space. The goal isn't to create two completely separate rooms. The goal is to create two functional zones that visually belong together. 2. Create a clear living room zone. The living room should feel like the comfortable heart of the open concept space. Start with your main seating piece. This could be a large sofa, sectional, or a combination of a sofa and accent chairs. For a larger open-concept room, consider positioning the back of the sofa toward the dining area. This is one of the easiest ways to visually define the living room without adding walls. You can also place a slim console table behind the sofa. Style it with a few carefully selected accessories such as table lamps, books, decorative objects, or greenery. This creates a finished designer look while also giving the back of the sofa a purposeful appearance. If your room is smaller, avoid oversized furniture that overwhelms the available floor space. Instead, look for pieces with clean silhouettes and enough visual breathing room around them. Remember, a beautiful room isn't necessarily the room with the most furniture. It's the room where every piece has a purpose. 3. Define the dining area without closing it off. Now let's talk about the dining area. In an open floor plan, your dining area needs to feel connected to the living room while still being visually recognizable as its own zone. One of the easiest ways to accomplish this is with a dining light fixture. A pendant, chandelier, or linear fixture centered over the dining table immediately establishes the dining zone. The table itself also becomes an important visual anchor. For a rectangular room, a rectangular dining table often works beautifully. For a square or more compact space, a round dining table can improve circulation and make the room feel softer. If you frequently entertain guests, consider an extendable dining table. It gives you flexibility without requiring a huge table to remain in the room every day. And remember to leave enough space around the dining table for chairs to move comfortably. A dining area may look beautiful in a photograph, but if people can't comfortably pull out their chairs, the layout isn't truly functional. 4. Use area rugs to define zones. Area rugs are one of the most powerful tools for designing an open-concept living room and dining room. A properly sized rug can instantly make a furniture arrangement feel more intentional. In the living room, choose a rug large enough for at least the front legs of your main seating pieces to sit comfortably on it. If the rug is too small, the furniture can appear disconnected and the room may feel visually fragmented. For the dining area, make sure the rug extends beyond the dining chairs. This is especially important because chairs should remain on the rug even when they're pulled away from the table. However, you don't necessarily need two completely different rugs. In many cases, choosing rugs that share similar colors, patterns, or textures can create a beautiful connection between the two zones. For a more sophisticated look, you can also use one large rug to visually unify the entire living and dining area, particularly when the room is large enough to accommodate it. 5. Coordinate colors without making everything match. One of the biggest design trends for 2026 is creating cohesion without making every element look identical. Your living room and dining room don't need to have exactly the same furniture, accessories, or colors. Instead, choose a common visual language. For example, you might use warm beige, cream, and natural wood throughout the space. Or you could combine soft taupe with muted green, warm white, and dark wood. Another sophisticated combination is warm neutrals paired with black accents and brushed metal details. The key is repetition. Repeat one or two colors throughout the open space. Maybe the dining chairs have a tone that appears again in the living room cushions. Perhaps the dining room artwork includes the same accent color found in the living room rug. Small repetitions like these create visual harmony without making the room feel overly coordinated. 6. Choose furniture with the right scale. Furniture scale becomes extremely important when two functional areas share the same room. If your living room furniture is oversized and your dining furniture is also oversized, the entire space can quickly feel crowded. On the other hand, furniture that is too small may make a large room feel empty and unfinished. The solution is balance. Measure your room before purchasing anything. Measure the sofa. Measure the dining table. Measure the distance between furniture pieces. And most importantly, measure the circulation paths. Don't rely entirely on how large a piece looks in a showroom or online photograph. A sofa that looks perfectly proportioned in a large showroom may completely dominate a smaller living room. This is why planning the layout before shopping can save you both money and frustration. 7. Use lighting to create a designer atmosphere. Lighting can completely change an open-concept living and dining room. Instead of relying on one central ceiling light, create multiple layers of lighting. In the living room, combine overhead lighting with floor lamps, table lamps, wall sconces, or accent lighting. In the dining area, use a statement chandelier or pendant above the table. This creates a natural focal point and gives the dining area its own identity. You can also use lighting temperature to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Soft, warm lighting is particularly effective in living and dining spaces because these are areas where people gather, relax, eat, and entertain. And don't forget natural light. Keep windows visually open whenever possible. Use curtains that complement the overall palette and hang them thoughtfully to make the windows feel taller and more elegant. 8. Create a strong focal point. Every beautiful room benefits from a focal point. In your living room, the focal point might be a fireplace, a large piece of artwork, a television wall, or a dramatic architectural feature. In the dining area, it could be the chandelier, a statement artwork, or an elegant accent wall. However, be careful not to create too many competing focal points. If the living room has a dramatic fireplace, an oversized television wall, bold wallpaper, a huge chandelier, and heavily patterned furniture, the room can quickly feel visually chaotic. Instead, choose one primary focal point and allow the surrounding elements to support it. This creates a calmer and more sophisticated appearance. 9. Use the sofa as a room divider. One of my favorite techniques for an open-concept living and dining room is using the sofa to divide the zones. Rather than placing the sofa directly against a wall, consider floating it in the room. The back of the sofa can face the dining area. This creates an invisible boundary between the two spaces. For larger rooms, you can place a console behind the sofa to make the arrangement feel intentional. For smaller rooms, choose a slim console or skip it altogether to preserve walking space. This simple change can make a huge difference. It tells the eye where the living room begins and where the dining room ends, without creating a physical barrier. 10. Consider a round dining table for smaller spaces. If your living room and dining room combination is compact, a round dining table can be an excellent choice. Because there are no sharp corners, a round table can make circulation easier. It also creates a more intimate dining experience. For very small spaces, consider a pedestal-style table because the lack of table legs around the perimeter can make it easier to position dining chairs. Pair it with comfortable but visually lightweight chairs. Avoid choosing chairs that are so large that they overwhelm the table. The goal is to preserve visual breathing room. If you enjoyed these living room-dining room combo ideas for 2026, make sure to subscribe to All About Home Decor for more interior design inspiration, decorating ideas, modern home trends, and designer styling tips. And if you're planning to redesign your open-concept living and dining area, let me know in the comments. Would you choose a modern, warm organic, contemporary, or classic design style for your home? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next home decorating video.